We've seen huge growth in our food and beverage manufacturing over the last couple of years. That's actually been one of our highest growth areas in manufacturing. And so that is thanks in part to our craft brewing and the success of folks like Santa Fe Brewing and Marble and Second Street Brewing and Rio Bravo Brewing. There are over 70 microbrewery facilities across the state of New Mexico. It has grown very rapidly. It's your classic definition of manufacturing. You're taking a raw material and turning it into a finished good, in this case that is happily consumed by customers. So if you're doing chemical manufacturing, it's not a lot different. In this case, what has really put New Mexico on the map is the innovative and creative side of the breweries that we're seeing come out. They're coming out with flavors and recipes, and they're really testing the market in a lot of new ways, getting away from kind of your traditional brewing.
Currently, Rio Bravo has approximately 24 employees, anything from manufacturing in the back, brewing, brewer's assistant. We've developed the infrastructure to help us move to the next level once we start. It'll help us expand from doing anywhere from 40 or 4,000 barrels up to 15,000 barrels once we commence with the added expansion. We've added additional brewing space, manufacturing, the canning line, and additional kegging systems for distribution throughout the state. We find advances of workforce technology can add some positions, and we have more production capability, then we can add some more people to the line of distribution. The technologies inside the brewing industry are allowing us to do more work, more efficient work, and consistent work, and also add some additional workforce. Canning process is very interesting. It takes about $750,000 worth of equipment. It takes cans, lids, and a product. We actually x-ray the can to make sure that it is completely full. The future of the beer industry is great. Put in the words of Ben Franklin, God loves us and wants us to be happy, therefore he made beer.
The future of manufacturing is becoming highly dependent on technology. Industry 4.0 is combining digital manufacturing and cloud computing and the Internet of Things to advance manufacturing by the minute. And so what New Mexico can do is having that skilled workforce that is ready to meet that challenge. And it's not just learning a skill that's going to carry you through the next 40 years. It's learning a skill and applying that to being flexible and adaptable because it's going to change. It's going to change rapidly. And figuring out how you continue to adapt and change that skill or stay up with industry trends or go back to school if we need to. And that's going to be collectively as a community how we do that. That's going to take the state government, that's going to take our academic universities, that's going to take nonprofit places like New Mexico MEP, staying in tune with both the workers and the companies to make sure that we have that vital piece in that skilled workforce moving forward. Manufacturing's always relied on people, and it's going to continue to rely on people. It's just going to be in a little bit different way. It's moving forward, it's exciting, it's changing constantly, and you can really be a part of something important by being in the manufacturing industry.